Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration of how to implement routing information protocol. So to start, we'll click on physical, click on home city, corporate office, move the main wiring closet, click back, click on that, and click on this. And I want to put in a patch panel. Next, we're going to put in a router. It's just a little slow, so you'll just have to bear with me for a minute. Next, I want to put in a switch. And I want to put in a server. And now we'll go back to logical and we'll connect these together. Back to physical. Click the back button here and we'll put in wall plate. Next, we'll wire this up. Now I just want to zoom in and I want to connect this to the switch. Now I want to add in 4 laptops. I want to go back, now I want to configure the server, desktop, and I want to configure the IP address. So the IP address for this, which is server 1, is going to be 192.168.0.2, and the default gateway is going to be 192.168.0.1. And next I want to go to services, DHCP. Default gateway again is 192.168.0.1, and I want the starting IP address to be 192.168.0.3. Go on and click on save. I want to click back, click on this. Okay, so that's set. So what I want to do now is I want to set up a new building, and we're going to call this remote office. And put another wiring closet. Zoom out. I'm going to put in another patch panel. I want to put in a router. And next I'm going to put in a switch and a server. And now I'll connect these up. So I'll just move the laptops back here. And now I want to connect the two routers together. To do that, I'll use a crossover cable. So now I want to put in a wall mount. I'll wire this up. Now I'll just zoom in and we'll wire this into the switch. Okay, now I'll put in 4 laptops. So what I want to do now is I want to configure this server. So bear with me now, I'm just looking at my notes desktop. So this is going to have the IP address of 192.168.1.2 and a default gateway of 192.168.1.1. Next I'm going to go to services, DHCP. The default gateway again is 192.168.1.1, and the starting IP is going to be 192.168.1.3. Go click on and save. So now I want to click back, and what I want to do next is I want to configure the router. So go click on config and fast Ethernet 00, and the IP address here is going to be 192.168.0.1 on. Okay. And on. Next, I want to go to the command line. Type int. And now I want to configure the next router at the remote office. So I want to put in the IP address 192.168.1.1 and on. So it's going to be 10.0.0.2 and on. And next I want to go to command line. It's going to be, so type in router or IP, network, one 92.168.1.0 and network. Ten dot zero dot zero dot zero, and so that's that router configured. So now I want to click back, and I want to see if I can ping the IP address of one of the laptops at the remote office. So we'll type ping 192.168.1.3. And you can see we've successfully got a reply. Type exit. So I want to go back, go to remote office, and see if I can ping the IP address of a laptop at the corporate office. So we'll ping 192.168.0.4. And you can see we've successfully got a reply. Sorry, just type in exit there. So that's it for today's video on routing information protocol known as RIP. So I hope you liked this video. Please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.